Okay, so many of you have been asking about the kettlebell swing and have mentioned that when performing the swing, you'll get an increased pain in the lower back rather than thinking that it's working the glutes and the hamstrings, which is predominantly what we're aiming for. Now, when you do the kettlebell swing, we might not be getting true activation of the glutes and the hamstrings, and therefore during the movement you may be feeling that the lower back is having to do a lot of work. Now, be rest assured that when you're performing the exercise correctly, that the glutes, hamstrings and the lower back are going to work. So just make sure that that pumped full of blood feel that you get in every other muscle when training isn't what you're getting this lower back pain confused with. If your lower back's hurting and you find that it's down to technique, check out these next few tips to see if we can strengthen up those glutes and hamstrings to make you perform the kettlebell swing. The floor bridge is a great exercise for you to start with to ensure that you're really switching on and you're getting that mind muscle connection with your glutes. So I'm just about to demonstrate the floor bridge. Find a space, lay flat on the floor with your heels just beneath your knees, about hip width apart, lifting your hips up, squeezing your glutes, really focusing on that. You'll see from the video that my hips don't come too high, they actually go parallel with the knees and shoulders, so therefore I know that I'm not charging my lower back. Give it a go. Okay, so moving on from the floor bridge, we are now going to go into an exercise that's a little bit more closer in terms of replication to the kettlebell swing. Now the good thing is there's not too much resistance at this stage, it's just getting the movement right and really switching on that mind muscle connection, making sure the glutes and the hamstrings are doing their job. We're going to call it resistance band pull-throughs, okay, or resistance band hip extensions. Give them a go. You need to anchor a band around about foot level behind you, and you'll see from the video how it works. So now that you've mastered the floor bridge and the band hip extension, we're now actually going to move on to the kettlebell swing. Now with anybody that we work with, we always encourage them to start light, focusing on the technique, making sure the hips are doing the main movement. It is a hip snapping, driving exercise. Start light, concentrate on technique, keeping the back nice and straight. That split second at the top when the kettlebell changes direction is where you should really focus on that glute activation, squeezing the bum cheeks as hard as you possibly can. Give it a go. And finally, now that you've nailed the technique for the kettlebell swing, you may want to advance it into a double kettlebell swing. So as you'll see from the next video, just simply grab another kettlebell, find out what the weight is that's comfortable for you. For example, if you swing a 24 kilo kettlebell normally and you want to give the double hand kettlebell swing a go, then obviously grab 2 12s and just keep advancing from there, gradually making sure that your technique is the most important thing. Squeeze your hips, snap them forward nice and quick, and it's a great exercise for getting the heart rate up and toning and shaping the lower body. Let me know how you get on.